Colt, what's going on?
Just Nightball. Friday Nightball at Fit. Got a lot of the boys from Canada with just us showed up tonight to play because they're here for the weekend and got to get this night started. Hey, so basically the way Nightball works, just first 5 on the box. Looks like I need 3 players at least
the
on
New Balance
right.
cleats. Pretty nice.
Oh, they don't look new.
No, they're not new. But these are New Balance cleats. They've definitely been used a little bit.
New used balance.
I love these cleats.
Follow me.
I'm gonna go let's get another car. I'll take Brent Tiger.
Whoa!
Whoa!
How many are on the left?
Just snacking.
You need one? I need one body on the left.
Monkey shrunk together.
So what's your favorite thing about Nightball?
It's honestly, I think it's the diversity of with like how many people come out. So it's not really just like me or Cole or Cyrus coming out here. It's like you got people playing D4. You got the Just Us guys here from Canada, like road organization out of there, and like you never know what you're gonna get out here, really. That's what I really like about Nightball is that you're never really gonna play against the same people. Like of course we have the regulars, but then you got people from out of state, out of town. That's why I love it so much. You never play against the same person every night.
As a kid growing up, did you ever think you'd get to a point where you could play paintball at night this good?
No.
Like, these lights are amazing.
100%. Like it's definitely a different style because like even with the lights, it's still dark enough to where wearing dark colors, it's hard to see people. That's why we try to have people wear brighter colors.
Right side, are you ready? Left side, are you? Oh, you're ready. Game in 5! Go!
Hey, so the first Dorito tower? Snake one, snake corner!
Cyrus, can you get up to the corner?
I'm gonna go to the corner.
Okay, got it. Hey, Cyrus, Dorito 2!
Hey, kill the Dorito 2! Kill the Dorito 2! Kill 2 for sure!
Rapid shoot the first tower.
Dorito tower!
Hey, the snake corner's wizard. He's on the inside shooting at us. Okay. Hey, it's the first Dorito 22! Hey, 513! 513, Cyrus!
Hey, kill the Dorito tower!
Hey, snake 33! 33!
Hey, so snake one, snake corner!
Wait, hey, snake one, snake corner only!
Let's go! Hey, so snake one, snake corner! I'm on the stage!
Shit out of me, dude. I didn't even know you came up here.
I thought about actually just like scaring you? I'm like, no. Because I don't know if you're a swinger or not.
Sometimes. Most of the time, I just like post up. I just go like this. That's about it. I usually, yeah, Brody fucking swings, so I don't really scare him.
Well, I mean, I expect that from Brody. I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, like, part of me thinks he knows what he's doing. He just swings because he's like, oh, it's like a free chance to swing.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't fucking scare that motherfucker anymore.
Where the fuck is he?
He's in the corner. Back right here.
Oh. Why is he acting scared?
He's right here.
He's about to get torched.
Players out.
Kill back right! Kill back right! Hey, kill that left kid! Kill that left kid! 43! Hey, that's it on right side!
It's a 40.
500!
Just 40. 4-1-0.
Okay, it's 6 on 6. What is happening? Stay out there.
I'm barely playing, I'm just trying to help him.
I don't think people know how to count. Game in 5. Go. You're clean.
Back left! Kill back left! Back left! Kill the center! Wait, is there a guy in the center? Hey, did you kill the center? Yes. Can I? Go! Here, wait. Hey, move to the... Hey! Koino, move! That's it. Kill, behind me! Dorito 1! Am I clean? Hey, Dorito 1! Dorito 1! Hey, Cobra! Cobra! Good. Come on, man.
Play the wire low.
So I thought I saw you run down. I killed some people. You know what I was talking about when I said China?
Hey, kill one! Robbie, over. Six a kill! Hey, kill Smith!
Yeah, they're like field.
302! 302! 302! 302!
That's all right, man.
My mirror's the beast!
I
Beast!
asked him, he said
Yo,
that too.
watch the beast, Brendan!
Not looking good. Not looking good.
Reno Tower? The tower, watch the beast. Okay, we're 100. We're about to be 1 to 2. I think he's. Hey, we got 2 kills. Yo, he's got. He's good. No, we have at least 3 kills. That's Reno Tower. Yo, the beast! Brendan, it's the beast. Yeah. Bro, it's stopping you. Yo, you can probably move into the 6.
I got Reno Tower on me.
Get the beast, Brendan! Yeah. The beast is Dorito Tower! Hey, kill the beast! Kill the beast! Dorito Tower still! Kill the beast! Dorito Tower! I'm on Dorito Tower! Dorito Tower! Dorito Tower to kill!
Pretty sure that's what.
Next 5 on the bus. Next 5.
Maybe it's a Velcro. I heard it, I thought.
Talk it out, Bill.
Yep. Are you ready?
That's mine.
Wait. Right side, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, David, 5. Go!
Hey, Colton! Kill the snake, kill the back left. Hey, Derek, Dorito Tower. Hey, what else, Colt? Hey, Dorito side tower. Hey, Colton. Hey, kill the tower, Jesse, kill the tower. Hey. Kill 4, where's the Alamo? It might be the other tower. No, back left, back left. Back left, Alamo. Back left, Alamo. No, God, kill the God. Hey, kill the God. Kill the God. That's it. That's it.
Oh, good shot.
Did we shoot anybody? Hey.
Well, we just shot the guy right there.
Okay.
Well, you told me the corner wrap, but he was out.
I double kill off the left side though. Yeah, he shot everybody off right. I shot double kill off the left. Oh,
The what? Microfiber? Yeah.
Yeah, it's you 3 on the same side.
So you're not going Dorito? Yeah, okay. Yeah, well,
All right, left side, you guys good? Once you guys are ready, you can thumbs up. Right side, you look pretty ready.
I don't think there was a jacket.
Yeah.
I think it was the dude. Well, I mean, definitely sharp. He just kept running into my vein. Alright, I'm about to I see the break on it.
Yeah, center tower. Kill 3 all day. Kill 3 all day. Tower. I got shotgun. I got shotgun. Take it. Kill 3 all day. To my left hand. Right tower on. Right tower. Out of the tower. Out of the tower. Hey, tower. Right tower's on me.
I thought we shot him. Sick. But still. Yeah, I knew he was going to go. Did you hear me say that? Yeah.
One human.
I might go pick up my phone.
Stuff in the wedge waiting for me.
What?
Did you go from that W to the wedge?
Yeah, I filled over and waited.
Yeah. When you were in the W, I saw you weren't looking, so I made the finger.
Well, I was in another spot.
I was sick.
I knew, like, seeing your tower guy see me, so I'm like, I'm fucked at this little one.
Yeah.
Jesse, doing that kill. Who was on
22?
I was trying to go snake in with your
0.5! Right. Go, go, go! Jason!
Yeah! Jordan, what's the one ask?
Hey, it's Alpha's the Y. Hey, Alpha 1 corner. Alpha 1 corner. Yeah! Where are you? Okay, we're sharp.
Stay corner! Stay corner! Good shit.
Comms there weren't great.
What?
My communication there wasn't great. Sorry.
Yeah. Chase didn't know I seen him go to the X. I said, if you're not looking at this, I know he's going to the beach. I sat there and rolled off and waited for him. Yeah.
Jason, I didn't know you were there.
I know. I seen you get to the X and I was waiting for you.